Hey, I'm Todd Hatta. I'm a minimalist traveler. I travel for a living about 8 or 9 months of the year, and I always bring the smallest bag possible for each trip. So I just returned last night from Mexico, 7 weeks, and I used this GoPro Seeker, which I think it's a 16-liter bag, and it was a challenge. Yeah, just 7 weeks with the tiny bag with mostly electronics and a little bit of clothing. So while I was there, I saw there was a Seeker II, which the dimensions were much larger on the websites, but as you can see, it's maybe an inch taller. It's really hard to tell. Seems like the same width. It's maybe got a 1/4 inch wider and not any deeper either. Depthness maybe an inch, inch by 1/4 inch, and it has a padded laptop compartment for a 15-inch laptop, whereas this one just has an open compartment. But other than that, it's the same bag. So I thought it was going to be much bigger. It says it's 18 liters. I don't know where they get the extra 2 liters from. There's not much difference at all. This one actually, when it came out, was $159. I think I got 25% off through GoPro somehow. And this one was $119. Much better price. It's nice the price came down, but I don't need 2 almost identical bags, so this is going right back. Yeah, I could have really used the extra 2 liters on this next trip. I'm going to Vietnam, Thailand, Greece, and a few countries in Eastern Europe for about 6 weeks. And I was thinking it was going to be a struggle with this one, so I wanted a couple more liters, but this isn't going to be any different. So it's going back. I'm either taking this one or one of my other small bags. So we'll see. I'm going to have to plan this packing out. But this is just to give you an idea of the Seeker I versus Seeker II. And yeah, there's really no difference. If you have the one, don't buy the 2. If you don't have either, get the 2. It's cheaper. It's a tiny bit bigger. It's got a padded laptop compartment. But it's a great bag. I mean, you don't even need a day pack. This is your day pack. So yeah, it's great. I was really hoping to like the Seeker II, but it's just not much bigger, so no use having 2 almost identical bags. But yeah, get the 2 if you don't have any. If you have the one, don't bother with the 2. So that's it. Thanks for watching.